Hi, in this video we are going to learn the next class tab settings of WordPress admin panel. In admin panel you can see when you click settings it shows the site title. Here you can say your site name yahoo.com. You can see whatever we are writing here is changing here as well. You can write the tagline everything every day. This address cannot be changed because it is a local host. If you are on a web server, it will require to be a domain name. Domain name, you can get domains from GoDaddy. There are many websites that give you. It can be abc.com. You can search, and if available, you can buy it. You can buy abcpro.me. The domain name will look like this. You can change it here. If you have it, you buy it. It shows your administrator email. You can change it to abcpro.me admin at this. Membership, anyone can register. If you enable, they will register. They will register as what? Subscriber, administrator, or whatever you choose. You can have WordPress site language. If you change it to Arabic and you change the time zone UTC like this, the first day of the week or the week starts on Sunday. If you click save, what we have done is time zone and language change. Now the language has been changed, everything to, you can see we are in Arabic language. I'm not much familiar with that, but let's go back to English, click save. Um, that will do the trick. Yes. Now you can see while we are doing the setting tab, there is a new update available. WordPress shows updates like this. I know it's not relevant, but I prefer to run the update. Now you see, because uh, we translated the website, it is asking us to update to the new translation. Update. What happens? WordPress core installation will be changed from English to Arabic or any other language to French or to German or Dutch. WordPress will automatically, you can see WordPress will automatically apply translations. AR means Arabic for all the plugins that we have. So when we activate them, it will not ask us to uh, that it will not show the options in English language or any other language. It will, if you choose French, it will again ask us to update in French language. That's all from the, you can choose date format, you can choose time format, and click save. That's all from general tab. Let's go to writing tab. It is, the WordPress is mainly used for blogging or news websites. As we have covered in our initial videos, the starting first one or two videos, WordPress empowers about 42 to 43% of all the websites in the world. You can choose here default post category. If you have more categories here in post categories, let's say latest news, breaking news, you can see it's like that. Just refresh it and you will have more categories what we have just added. So the default post, so when you go to write a post, you don't need to choose any category. It will automatically select the categories. You see the default category will be breaking news. If you don't select it, we all have already added in the writing setting that it will choose the breaking news option. Next, the format is standard, aside, chat, gallery. These are different layouts. Or a video, default post is a video or an audio. It depends on what it's a gallery, it's an image. We keep it standard. Standard means standard WordPress post where it shows all the details with images and everything like this. We can choose to add blocks like this. You can see what blogs browse. You can choose gallery, you can choose a file, you can choose columns, buttons. If you add like this, it will ask you to add data like that. Next is mail server. You can post via mail server. You can use these codes to send email. You will send email using this mail server. It can be a Google server, Gmail, Microsoft Outlook server, stuff like that, or Amazon server. You will put that setting here, and whatever you choose, it's a breaking news, you can send email, and that email will be posted as a news event or a post. You choose that. Update services, this is the default update service. You can get more details on update services. I think it's better we make a separate video on this, how these servers are pinged, but we have to disable XML RPC pinging services, so nobody will ping and try to gain illegal access to our website. After you have made changes, you can click save. Next is reading, how the page will be read. Your latest post, when you go to the home page here, you can see it says yahoo.com. Our latest page will come, or we will have a static page, sample page, home page, stuff like that. If you go and add a new page, that page will appear here. How many blog pages to show at most, how many syndicate feed to show recent one, and show the text full or excerpt means it will be only about 300 words. If you click save changes, you don't need to use this if you are running the website on the cloud, not on the local server. Next is discussion, how people will discuss. User must be registered to log in to comment. Automatically close comments to post older than 14. So 14, you can say 30 days. After 30 days, the comments posting will be closed. Break comments into pages. With 50, we can call it 10. We can call it 200. It's our choice how much we want to go with that. These are some of the settings. Disallow comment keys. You can disallow from different words, different IPs, and stuff like that. You can show avatars, or you can disable that. If you disable it, show avatar, all those settings will be gone. If you show avatar, you will have the maximum rating, uh, and how the default avatar will look like. You can say this, you can choose blank, but mystery person if they haven't updated their photo, and click save. Next is media, the settings for media, that is here in the library. If we go, you will find all the files. You can attach the files, upload, stuff like this. What will be the thumbnail size? You choose here. These are default settings. Usually we don't change them, but if you do need to change, you can make all the changes here. You want to crop the image or you don't want to crop, change settings. Permalinks. Permalinks are how the web page is viewed. For example, if I click here, where it will go, if I click on this post, it goes to 23/1/11 hello world. If I want to change it, I will go there, I make it post name and click save. Now, if I go back, and this is the sample page showing, yeah, because we change it in reading the sample page. Let's go back to latest post so we can see latest post. And in media, sorry, permalinks, we were Again, refresh the page. Yes, now if you go, you will see the web page slash the post name. Hello world. It will be like that. If you click categories, it will be category slash the category name. That's how it will be the post name directly. You can choose one of these: time, date, ID, or author's name. So it will show on that. The last one is privacy. The last option or last tab is privacy. Now there is no page for privacy. If you want to create a page, just click here. WordPress gives you a default suggested content. You can remove this and put your own abcpro.me slash privacy. Media, cookies, it will give you all the data. You can edit it as you like. This is suggested text. You can remove that. First of all, if you have an account on this site or have left comments, you blah blah blah, schedule, you can schedule the post there. Now it is still draft. You can either quickly edit, publish, and update, or go inside and publish it. Since we do have privacy page, let's put it to the trash. Now we go back to our again privacy. We can see use this page as privacy policy guidelines. You can see how policy media comments and what WordPress wants us to do. You can copy the suggested text, paste it into your own page or create your own page. This is a suggested text. So your page, your website will relate with Google and Microsoft Bing engine, Google search engine, and other search engines privacy policy sharings. Thank you very much for watching this. Next video, we are going to get to know the best WordPress